it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I'm with my boys today, Marcello and Rocco, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Cry Babies Magic Tears Paci House. This is the latest addition to the Cry Babies toy line, so now Fantasy Mountain is going to get brand new houses to live in. It's so easy to unbox and it's so magical, of course, but this time instead of just cracking it open, we have a new way. We're going to take our teardrop shaped pipette little squeezy bottle and drop in some water, and it's going to unlock, and then it's going to reveal like a totally cool way to unbox these 9 surprises. And guess what? They're going to be glittery. So there's going to be these little accessories that you can unbox by just turning a dial. So I cannot wait to open them. I want to thank IMC Toys for sending us the new Cry Babies Paci House. So let's get it started. It's a Cry Babies official product, and we have this adorable Paci House. Look how cute this is. Look, it has a little holder just like the pacifier from Cry Babies. And we have our little pipette inside there. Here's your important instructions that you're going to need to use to help your kiddo unbox this magical world of Cry Babies. We have the movable Magic Tears Fantasy logo with wings, just like the winged houses and the winged bottles. And we have this cute little window, another little doorknob over here. We have our little chimney where we're going to put our droplets of water to unlock it. This is so super cute. Okay, so first thing we need to do, according to the instructions, is open up our window. So we're going to take some water, fill it up. See, opening a little bit. Wow! That was so cool.
Could you redo that?
I don't know. Let's see if it does it again. So we're just testing it out to see if it'll let you do it more than once. We tried reopening it with some more water from the pipette and it didn't work, but let's move on. You may already know that the left side of the bottle house usually is made of like a thick cardboard. This time around, it's more of like a hard plastic. So reveal the first surprise. And we got our own little yellow, adorable, clear Cry Babies Fantasy Series pacifier. It's super duper cute. And in order to reveal the next surprise, you have to turn this. Do you want to turn it to reveal it, Marcello?
Where should I turn it?
So you turn the back of this right here, the dial. See the dial right here?
Yeah.
You're going to turn that, and it's going to reveal the next surprise. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So what do we have here? We have, it looks like a little heart-shaped flower, like a little toy. Here we go. Whoa. So it looks like we have, it looks like wings. I'm not quite sure. Make it turn. The next one. Whoa.
It's a bib.
It is. It's a bow bib with glitter inside. All of the accessories are glittery, and there are 7 to collect. The rare being glow in the dark. And now, do we have all our surprises? Yes, we do. We have all of our surprises from this part of the Cry Babies Paci House. Now we're going to check out the baby doll that we got, the Cry Babies doll. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. We got Rosey. Rosey has golden antlers. She's so pretty. She has stars on her face, just like the one that we got from New York Toy Fair, except this one was golden and totally limited edition. Look, the stars are on this side too, except you get 1 extra star. So super cool, and these are glittery and beautiful, and they have glittery tummies. So you're just gonna feed her and squeeze her tummy, and then she's gonna cry magical colored tears. We also have this little cushion, and it's totally sparkly and glittery, and it's green. So super cool, and that's Marcello's favorite color. So Rosey has, I guess, the same favorite color as you. And then this popped open when I opened it. It's not supposed to do that, but here's a drawer, and we have a winged bottle house bottle. And then we have all these cool, like, embossed embellishments inside to decorate.
Maybe her shoes?
Oh, wait, you put them on top of her antlers to make it pink. Turn her golden antlers pink. That's so super cool. Then she has, I guess, like maybe like a rattle or something. It's a little bow bib. And then we have a blind bag. Where'd it go? Here's the blind bag over here, and it's beautiful foil holographic blind bag. And let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, we have a new chair design. Look at this chair design. It has wings at the back. It looks so super comfy. There we go. So super cool. I feel like we're missing one. I hope we're not. Okay, there's something else in there. So this is Rosey. Let's make her cry now. This is Rocco's favorite part, right? Don't you love it when they cry?
Yes.
Okay, let's make her cry. Let's fill up her bottle. Fill up her bottle with some water. Give her a good shake to really get those tears a nice color. You're gonna see all different colors, well, a new color come out. So, want to give her tummy a squeeze?
Yep.
I'll hold her for you. Maybe she needs some. Maybe she needs some more water.
Oh, I think maybe you have to take the paper off.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
No, I don't think you need to. I think it just needs more water.
Oh.
Hold on.
No more water.
Okay, you want to give her a squeeze?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Oh! Oh! It's blue! Maybe we should put the pacifier in, and that will block this, and then maybe she'll cry.
Oh.
Let's try that. Oh, she's still... Oh, wait, there she goes. She was crying. There she goes.
Cry babies.
I'll show you guys the stickers that you could use to decorate the bottle house. And these are the stickers. Her name Rosey, and that is her pet right there. She has a little reindeer pet. And here is the checklist for the series Paci House. So there's Bruni, Felly, Dreamy, Dina, Rosey,
She's spinning.
Oh no, she's spinning. Jassy, and this is the rare one. This is Tina, and guess what? Tina glows in the dark. That's really cool, right? Now, do you guys know how to remove the water? This is how you do it. You just unplug the back of the doll's head. There's a little plug, and then you just dump out all the water. Now, it's always gonna be blue, so there's plenty of blue inside there, so you're not gonna run out. Oh boy. And here is our little poster, and you could also catch Cry Babies on their YouTube channel, Kitoons. It's a really cute show. This is Fantasy Mountain, and this is where they all hang out. Yeah, she's spinning. They are shiny this time around. They're so super cute.
Feed the baby again.
Good, I'm glad you like her. She's so cute. Let's decorate her house.
To feed the baby.
Okay, I'm hungry.
I wonder what happens if I use this to fill her mouth up.
Nothing. Good job. Now you give her a squeeze to make her cry. Okay? Good boy. Do you like feeding the baby?
Yes.
It's fun, right? Now you give her tummy a squeeze, gentle squeeze, okay? Whoa! Whoa! So parents, if you're looking for the new Cry Babies Paci House, it's going to be available at Target at the end of the month and also available at Walmart and Amazon. This is a great gift for little kids. My boys actually love Cry Babies, so if you have sons, don't just think this is a girl's toy. This is for boys too. They love Cry Babies, especially Rocco. He loves the bigger Cry Babies, the ones that actually make the crying noise, because he loves to hear them cry. I don't know why. He's 2 years old, but he's liked them since he was like really small. All right, guys, thank you so much to IMC Toys again, and we're going to be opening up another Paci House in another video. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and like our video, and please, if you're watching IGTV, don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.